Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So let's continue with our website, but first let me just fix something related to the background noise, because we can hear this computer fan. So I just put like some birds chirping. That's better than computer fan noise. So let's see, there's this website called Noisely. It's not too bad if you want to like have a background noise while you are working. They say it helps concentration. Well, in my case, I just need some background noise to stop or to cover a bit the sound of the fan, the computer fan. So let's go. Okay. Wrong password. Okay, this time. Come on. Okay, what's going on? Pretty sure I wrote the right password. Okay, third time is a chance. Oh, what's happening? Oh, damn, wrong email. Yeah, it's the wrong email, not the wrong password. Alright, let's try this time. Okay, we're good. So I like to put this burst noise in the background, just like cover a little. You can choose like from a lot of things. Maybe wind. Yeah, maybe the wind of it's like the same as the fan. Maybe leaves, I think it takes. And then we can have the background sound of people. Maybe it's a little better than the noise of the fan. Okay, that's that. Let's check. Okay, how does our website look? So Python manage.py run server. Good. Ooh, something is wrong. Oh yeah. I have done some major changes, like in my I reinstalled my Python, so I lost like the virtual environment is not working correctly anymore, so I have to rerun it. So delete. Okay, I wonder if I have the requirements.txt. Yeah, I have it. It's here. Yes, it's not like very good, but we will work with it. So stitching.py, and then we go to Python interpreter if you wanna like fix the virtual environment problem. So I'm gonna add a new one. I'm gonna choose Python 3.9. I just installed it lately. So okay, good. Let's go. And okay, come on. Yeah, it takes time to install this virtual environment. So okay, let's go. Yeah, it doesn't help that my laptop CPU is a little old. It's like second generation of an i7. Okay, I have the virtual environment installed. I will just like close the terminal, open a new one. Maybe I can do pip freeze. Okay, let's do pip install -r requirement.txt. Okay, it will install all of those things, and then I will have to install pillow also. Okay. Come on. Alright, okay. I need to install pillow as well. Pip install pillow. It works for the pictures we want to upload them, and pillow means Python image library, so just so you know. And then okay, we can start our server. So no, before we will do a little freeze, and we will update the requirement.txt file. So now the requirement.txt file is a little updated, so now it contains below also. Okay, good. Close this and let's go. Py manage.py run server. Okay, it's copy running server. Shukran. And now I have my server running here. So the picture look a little weird, but sometimes if you are on Windows, you need to do a Shift F5, so like it's a hard refresh. So it would refresh also the CSV files, the CSS files. So now it looks better. That's how it was. So the last thing we did is that you could only view the list of movies, and you could view the a session movie, but you could not add a movie without logging in, and you could not like update or delete a movie without logging in. So that's what we did in the last session, the last video. So now we will add something to this. So we'll add like permissions. So what does that mean? So let's go and do the permissions. And here always in the, let me close everything I don't need right now. So I can close all tabs, and I'm going to my viewer app, to the views.py, and I'm going to import. So here I have already imported the login required mixin. I'm going to import another mixin. It's called permission required mixin. Okay, so what does this mean? It means that you need to have the permission to be able to do something. So here for the movie create view, I'm not gonna only say the login required, but also I will say like permission is required. Okay, permission required mixin. And here, what is the kind of permission required? I just defined here what is the permission that is required for the user to be able to execute this view. Is so the permission required equals to viewer, so the name of the app, dot add movie. Okay, so that's like one permission, and then so you'll be able to create like a new movie. And then for updating movie, we'll do the same thing here, permission required. So normally when you say permission required, you like implicitly means that login is required. So you cannot have a permission without having the login. So actually we could remove this if we want. So because permission required like implicitly means that you need to be logged in. So here the permission required to be able to update a movie is permission required, which is movie dot change movie. No, actually it's viewer dot change movie, not movie, sorry. So the name of the app is viewer, and the name of the permission is change movie. Okay, and finally for the delete, we will also put a permission. So I would say permission required mixin again, and here it's viewer, no, permission required is viewer dot delete movie. So now you will ask me, where do you get those names? Viewer dot add movie, viewer dot delete movie, and viewer dot update movie. So good question. And how does that work? We will go to the administration, and then I will show you. So now I'm going to the administration panel. I will log in with admin and admin. Okay, that's my password. Okay, I'm sorry, something went wrong. Alright, and now these are my profiles or my users. So I have this okay, let me remember what I have here. So I have admin, and I have Anas, Black Cat, Jill, Leon, Churchill, and White Cat. Alright, so these users here, to be able to like create a movie, like add or delete. So let's say for example this Anas AA. Alright, so this one is also like connected to profile, isn't it? No, it's not. Okay, no problem. So I will check this Anas AA, and I will come here and I look at the permissions, and here I will look inside there is this viewer and there is movie, so viewer and movie and like add movie. So that means I will give it the right to add movie, I will give it the right to change movie, to update movie, but I will not give it the right to delete movie. So let's see what happens when I do that, and save. Alright, so if we go to our website, let's just go to the site. The admin has all kind of permissions. The admin can delete a movie, no problem. The admin can do everything. But let's connect with this ANAS. So ANAS AA, and here it's going to be so the password, yeah, Turco 2020. All right, and now let's try as usual. Like anyone can view a movie. Anyone can view the list of movies. Like anyone can, not anyone. So Anas has the right to add a movie, right? And then Anas has the right to update a movie. So I can update it. Do not talk about it. You do not. Like we can talk about Fight Club. Okay. So submit. Alright, so now if I look at Fight Club, yeah, I can see that I have added this. You do not talk about Fight Club. For whatever reason, it did not go back to the line. No problem. And yeah, I could fix that. It's an easy fix. You just have to, I will show you in the description. Where is it? In templates, viewer, movie detail. Here you would say movie description, and you would patch a pipe like this, and then you would do line breaks BR. I think that's the correct I think that's the correct way of doing it. Let's Google Django templates line breaks BR. So let's see, it's a filter, we'll call it, or a tag, and I'm not sure, so let's look for line breaks. Yeah, here they are. So you have the line breaks. So what does it mean? It transforms yeah, it transforms, like when you have an enter in your like description in the database, when you have like a anti/n like return up to the line, it will be replaced by a BR tag, which means like in the HTML it will also look like a return to the line. So how does that will translate here? If we come here and we just update this page, you see now it went back to the next line. Okay, so that's good. Now I said I didn't give the right to that user to delete the movie. So if I try to delete, it says forbidden. Forbidden, it means you don't have the right, so no deleting. So I cannot delete this movie Fight Club. Okay, and if I, for example, create another user, not create another user, but let's take another user that has no rights whatsoever. So let's go to the administration panel again, and admin, and let's see users. For example, this user, what's his name? Black Cat. Okay, let's try this Black Cat, and he has we didn't give him any right, so he will not be able to do anything. So view site, and okay, log out from here. So let's go Black Cat, and Turco 2020, and then so if I do anything like viewing, no problem, everyone can view. Like updating, it says like forbidden. Deleting is forbidden, so because Black Cat does not have those rights, we didn't give Black Cat any rights. So if we want him to be able, or her to be able to change, like, so that's we will have to give him the rights. So that's how like the permission required works. And in the next video we'll talk about how you can make your own like tests, like not only permission, you can make something even more advanced. So yeah, we will have a look at that, and yeah, see you next video.